see. I would really ride for you. You know I spend the time on you. I could hold it down for you. Let me. I can never lie. Let me spend the time on you.
Cào thì mình thì lắp thì mình ra thì cái năng
lắp từ mình ra rồi lắp từ mình nhớ cho thì bây giờ được chút khảo từ. Okay. Okay.
Made it like God when you said so. I feel it how you feel it right now.
That was much needed. So now we're on to she want to go get some smoothies.
Rare. Niggas from your past in your DM, you finished with trying to reminisce. I think they envious. They see the diamond you always was. They blue. We all know that a real one make it happen for you. So tell me that it's something that you pity yet. We could go from there.
I need it from you. I want your company. I'd be more comfortable if you say what you want from me. If you say what you want from me.
Ooh, yeah. Looking delicious. Oh, so about to be tearing that up.
I can never lie to you.
Doing your thing. Thank you very much. And then I also got to go to the car parts store because my mom wants me to change her spark plugs on her car. So I'm gonna show y'all how that's done a little bit later too.
I'm backing up and up so you can leave. I want
it down for you. Let me spend time on you.
All right, so we made it over here. About to change out these spark plugs real quick. Got to take this all off, but I ain't gonna record the process because it's a whole lot of tedious process and I'm still learning as I go. So y'all just gonna see after it's done. But all right, so far I got this all taken out, got the intake taken out, got that all taken out, and now I can actually finally reach all of the spark plugs. But I did, in the process of fixing this, I think it's this one right here. I was taking off this engine coil and this engine hose and squeezed it a little bit too tight and got a rip in it right there. So I'm gonna have to try to go get that replaced before they close, but I'm gonna just continue moving forward with everything and then just come back to that later. But yeah, we got this all taken out off of YouTube University, so we learning. Not gonna lie, putting all these crystals on here is some work, but it's gonna be worth it at the end. So today I was hooping. I almost lost the eye. Almost. Like I might have to start playing with safety glasses or something because I literally was getting a rebound and I don't know why dude came out of nowhere. I already had the rebound, mind you. Like I already had the ball in my hand, about to come around and turn and get on to the fast break. This dude's whole finger smacked me in my eye. And I don't know if y'all remember back in the day. I don't know if y'all used to do it, but I used to do it when we was a kid, like some goofy stuff, but we would flip our eyelid. So like the pink part was actually showing this stuff. And that's exactly how my eye was for like 10 minutes straight. I could not open my eye and I'm just like, oh no, I'm over here thinking like, damn, if I lose this eye from playing basketball and I'm not even getting paid to play basketball, like that would be crazy. But I ended up just walking to the front desk, like trying to get some help. Like, yo, y'all got any first aids or y'all got any something I can cold press on this or something? Like, I can't open my eye right now, and I'm over like, god damn, it's bad out. But I luckily just had to sit down for a little bit and continue to try to blink, but I couldn't blink because my eye was just like it was like twitching. I'm trying to get it out, like, but so then I was over there. It was like, oh, I can't rub my eye because then I'll end up getting infected and stuff. But luckily, God ended up blessing me and just let my eye to actually heal up and do what it needed to do. And as y'all see, it's better now. It's still a little bit red, as y'all can see. Like, I came home and tried to put some eye drops. I don't recommend doing that. I guess they say it can irritate the eye a little bit more than it does. I mean, than it already is. And can cause like irritation and everything. So I think after like a couple of days, it should be feeling better. But man, that had me feeling like, what? I didn't even like, I ended up trying to play a basketball game after that. But then during that game, I was already just feeling a little bit blurry and everything. So I was glad that I was able to drive home and make it there. But this is just the final part of the vlog of the day in life. I should have recorded when I was playing basketball, but I know I don't have that much space now, so I can't be talking too long. But doing stuff like this is very much needed. Like, I should have did this a long time ago. I know I said that all the time before, but I was always just worrying about trying to do clients' commissions and not worry about doing passion projects in between. And this is a passion project. These shorts are for me, but I'm gonna get a couple wears out of them. And then I'm gonna put them for sale too as well, so somebody else can be able to enjoy them, because I'm gonna be making so much more. So I'm about to just continue placing all these rhinestones, flipping them all over, and then I'm gonna press it down on my heat press machine. I definitely recommend having a heat press, just because it's more of a flat, even pressure, and you can control the pressure instead of doing it with an iron. So after these are done, I'm gonna show you how to find a product and let y'all see what it's looking like. And also, this is a Coach Corso from Ohio State. He's not exactly, don't quote me on it, but he's just always the one who was making picks, and his main thing was putting the mascot's head on who he thought was going to win the game. And this was a season opener for Ohio State versus Texas. And I'm going to add rhinestones onto the front of this too as well. But I was just getting some wear tests out of them to see how it works. But then I put on the back of it.
Some of us are catalysts. Because of that, you have to accept, not be liked.
I cherish the moment, it's high stakes. I used to spend time on my time pay. The way speaker thumping it vibrate. She jumping my bones, make it gyrate. Yeah. Sit bit for a crib, it's a fireplace. I turn off my phone for like 5 days. I show it, I know it's my time, lady. Jump started this shit from online, baby. Whatever we doing.